today I'm gonna be doing a F30 oil change because it's long overdue. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. The camera stabilizer that I built, I'm gonna go ahead and give that away to one of you guys. Stay tuned to the end of this video to see if you won, and you get to pick the color and I ship it to your house. Let's go get some coffee because I'm an idiot. I bought coffee beans instead of coffee grounds and I don't have a grinder, so let's go get some coffee. Is it summertime yet, bro? So tired of this. Ooh, it's so crispy. All right, we'll let this cool down while we go take the daily to get some coffee. Comment down below which car you like more on this channel. I think I know what all of you guys are gonna say, but let me know down in the comments which car you like more. Oh, every time. This will actually be the first time I've done an oil change on the F30. I've always taken it somewhere to have somebody do it. I know how simple it is. I've just been too lazy, I guess. So I'm excited. I hope I learn a little bit. I hope I can teach you guys a little bit. And if you're taking your F30 to someone to go get the oil change done, maybe now you can be inspired to do it yourself. I don't know. Speaking of a first time thing for me, this was the first time I've ever made and sold merch, and I can't thank you guys enough to everyone who's already picked up merch for me. It's a huge help to the channel and really helps me grow. So I'm working on the second line, the second drop, and I'm just so stoked. I think it looks so sick and I'm excited to show you guys what that is. The sale for hitting 1,000 subscribers is gonna go through the end of the weekend. So make sure you go head over to the website. Everything is already 30% off. You don't need a discount code. So go pick up some merch if you wanna support the channel. It definitely helps. Sorry dunks, but today, going to Starbucks. I've got 2 jack stands, my jacks, some wood blocks. You're gonna need a 17-inch mill, your oil, 5 quarts. I've got my man filter, which is an OEM replacement, and all that good stuff. So let's start by jacking this thing up.
I will never leave you. And you never will. I've got a job to do too. Where I'm going, you can't follow. What I've got to do, you can't be any part of.
So I just got it jacked up. I did it the not normal way, so I know you're supposed to use jack pads and jack it there and whatever, but there's nowhere to put the freaking jack stand, so I jack it up there and put them under each lower control arm, which works exactly the same. So great job, BMW. Way to put your jacking point like halfway underneath the car. That's really freaking helpful. Let's go ahead and pop the bonnet. We'll go ahead and start by just untwisting this oil cap like so. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but right past the icicle is a little square cutout right there. Right in there is the 17 mil bolt that you need to take out to drain the oil. While the oil is draining, this needs to come off. This is the oil filter cap. BMW does make a tool for this. I don't have one because they're expensive. I'm gonna go ahead and try and just use some good old manpower and a microfiber to twist this open. Manpower did not work. I need to figure out a different way to get this thing off. Alrighty guys, check it. It's a little BMW hack here. So I grabbed a microfiber and just a regular filter wrench, and check it out. Ready? If you stick the microfiber over it, that will give it something to grip onto. Then just put your wrench on and twist. So much oil. The car is still draining a little bit. While that is doing that, let's go ahead and start prepping the cap. There's 2 washers you need to replace. This yellow one right here, and there's a black one right here. So now in the new one, you get your oil filter. You get a new black washer, a new washer for the top, which is that yellow one, and you also get a crush washer there, which goes where the oil pan bolt sits, right underneath it. It's definitely helpful to have a tool, like a pick tool, that you can use basically to get underneath these washers here and pry them off. This top one was kind of a pain in the ass, but once you get it, it should just come right off. So I just pulled the oil pan out. That's all done draining. I put the new plug in with the new crush washer. Now we can go ahead and install this. Now we just need to put the new oil in, 5 quarts. Go ahead and close this. Now that we've got the oil change done, all that's left to do is measure the oil, make sure that we've got the right amount, and then reset the light. So we don't have to do this for another like I would do it like every 3,500 to 5,000 miles if you really care about your car. I know they say do it like every 10,000, but that's just way too long, especially if you're tuning the car and you need it to be running optimally all the time. Shorter regiments are better. So do like 3,500 to 5,000 miles. Hopefully my car doesn't blow up. Definitely got that cold start going on. My bad guys, we have to wait until it warms up a little bit because it has to be at operating temperature apparently. I'm so dumb. I need to drop the car down so it's on a level surface. If you actually just read the instructions like I didn't do, it tells you that. Why didn't you just use a dipstick, BMW? Like, what if the oil is too much, or yeah, if it's too much and I need to take some out, then I have to jack the car all the way back up and stuff, and that's just a pain. So let's go ahead and take it off jack stands, and then I'll show you how to reset the light. So now it's warmed up. Let's go ahead and hit start measurement. It's gonna run through this for probably about a minute or so while we're waiting for that. I did grab the camera stabilizer, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick the winner as soon as we go drop off the oil, so stay tuned for that. Come on, 40, 98, 99, 100. Perfect. So it's right at the max level, so we did it perfectly. To reset the oil light, you want to just go ahead and turn power onto the car, but don't turn the car on. Press and hold this button here for about 10 seconds. Now you should see these come up, so you want to cycle through. So reset possible for oil. Let's go ahead and click that. Reset in progress. Reset successful. So right now you can see it's automatically set to 12,000 miles, which is crazy. Like, you should never drive 10,000 miles on engine oil. That's just not good. I don't quite remember how to adjust that. I'm gonna have to figure that out later, but obviously with vlogging now I can document when I've done everything, so I guess that's helpful. If I need to know when the last time I did the PRELUDE oil change, the F30 oil change, I can go back on my YouTube channel and see when it was. With that being said, I need to go drop off this oil here, so let's go do that. I also need to get gas, and then I promise we're gonna do the giveaway, so stay tuned. Go ahead and air out a little bit. If you guys would be interested in me showing you how to set your ride height if you're on bags, I can make a video on that. I think that would be pretty helpful. Let me know in the comments down below. AutoZone. Let's go give them some free used oil. All empty, sitting real freaking nice. The time has come. I am ready to pick the winner of the stabilizer. If you guys missed the video, I'm sorry. I'm sure I'm gonna do more giveaways later, but let's pick a winner. I did go through and I read all of the comments. Thank you guys so much. I think the color of choices that you guys are creative. I'll give it to you. One that really stuck out to me was this one, and this is gonna be the winner. 89 Lude Skywalker said, elevated sticker bomb. He wants to get picked because if he does, he's definitely starting a YouTube channel and loves the content. He has a 89 Prelude and learns a lot. His wife keeps telling him to upload. He never does it, so maybe this time will be a game changer for him. I think that's awesome, dude. So 89 Lude Skywalker, this is going to be your camera stabilizer. I'm gonna go ahead and do what you said, and I'm gonna sticker bomb it with elevated stickers and maybe just some other stickers that I have that I think will look cool on it. So congratulations, man. Shoot me a message, hit me up. My email is in my YouTube channel. You can reach out to me on Instagram. I just need your actual name and your address so I can ship it to you. But congratulations, bro. I appreciate it. Thank you for everyone who took part in the giveaway. I'm gonna be releasing new merch here soon. If you haven't been to the website, go check it out and support the channel. That is gonna wrap it up for today though, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if it helped you out. Comment down below if you have any suggestions, comments, concerns. As always, hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys next time. Deuces.